How to make sure every benefit you're owed is actually claimed. Number one, we're going to review your Social Security survivor benefits, confirm your eligibility and amount, and look at whether claiming the survivor benefit now and switching to your own later or reverse is going to produce more lifetime income. Second, file every life insurance claim. Contact each insurer with policy numbers and those certified death certificates. Payouts are typically going to arrive in 30 to 60 days, usually as a lump sum, sometimes installments. And when they do, use those first to shore up your cash flow, not rush into having to use investments. Number three, call your pension administrator. If your spouse had a pension, a survivor benefit may continue to you, but only if the right option was elected. And the rules differ from private to government and military plans. Confirm what you're entitled to and when those payments are going to start. Four, check your employer and union benefits. Final pay, group life insurance, or other survivor options sometimes exist and go unclaimed simply because no one thought to ask. Five, I want you to sort out the health insurance. If your coverage ran through his employer, find out how long it continues and what will replace it so that there's no gap in your own coverage.